Bitcoin holders, prepare right now because this upcoming week is very important. I will tell you what to expect this week for the Bitcoin price. With that said, I will be doing a technical analysis, so make sure to subscribe, hit the like button if you want daily Bitcoin technical analysis and price predictions. This is DC Trading. Let's get right into it. So, this week, we did manage to make an all-time high for 2023 at around 25,200. Just yesterday, we did wick to $25,006. Now, what we can see is we have been consolidating around 24,500 for the past 24 hours. From the looks of it, everything looks for another push to the upside. If we take a look at the MACD on the daily time frame, we have confirmed another buy right here as these two cross to the upside, meaning we should expect another push, possibly this upcoming week, above $25,000, and we may very well see another all-time high for 2023. Now, the next question is, how high can we go? Well, if we take a look, guys, on the daily time frame, we do have high liquidity. Yes, high liquidity around 26,000. To be exact, we have it around 26,800. So, is it possible that we see the Bitcoin price pump to these areas? Absolutely, guys. It is possible. But we need to be aware and we need to look out for two things this upcoming week. If we take a look, the first thing we need to look at is the S&P 500. It did create two red candles, which is very concerning. Hopefully we see a bounce back to the upside. If we don't, this will be an indicator that the Bitcoin price will head for another correction, which is what we don't want. But it is possible, and as I said in my previous videos, if it breaks below 23,000 at any point, I am not bullish anymore on the Bitcoin price, and I do expect a major correction to $20,000, possibly $19,000. Now, the next thing we need to look at this week is the DXY. This is very important because on the daily time frame, we created two red candles right here. As you guys can see, it did manage to pump above resistance, and it managed to pump to $104, and to be exact, 104.6. But we did see a major rejection on the daily time frame, so we need to be aware of this. If we continue to see a rejection and we head to more downside, this is a good sign for the Bitcoin price, because as you guys know, when it gets stronger, the DXY, that means the Bitcoin price gets weaker, and vice versa. If the Bitcoin price, or if the DXY gets weaker, that means the Bitcoin price gets stronger. So you need to be aware of these two things this upcoming week for the Bitcoin price if we want to see a push to $26,000. Now, if we take a look also at the Bollinger Band, what do we see? It looks like we do have some support around 24,300. So on Sunday and Monday, tomorrow and on Monday, I do expect a little bit correction, possibly to 24,300, and then we see another bounce to the upside. So overall, things are looking bullish, but there are two indicators we need to be on the lookout for: the S&P 500 and the US dollar. With that said, guys, my price prediction for next week is we see a $26,000 price, because things are looking bullish as of right now, because we see a rejection here. But also, the S&P 500 doesn't look that concerning, as we created not a strong case for another downtrend on the S&P 500. Overall, things are looking more bullish than bearish. So I do see a $26,000 price for Bitcoin heading into next week. If we look at liquidations, not a lot of liquidations happened over the weekend just because things have been very high. People are waiting on what's next for Bitcoin this upcoming week. 37 million liquidated on long positions, coming at 90%. Overall, guys, be on the lookout for the Bitcoin price because we may head to another all-time high for 2023, possibly 26,800. With that said, guys, if you haven't checked out the big news on the SEC proposing a new rule that will affect your crypto, go check that out right now if you made it this far. Very, very important. I uploaded it earlier today, so go check that out right now. Also, subscribe and turn on post notifications. Go check out this video. Peace.